this video, I will be demonstrating the installation process of the new keycaps I purchased from Amazon, followed by a brief sound test with some chill music in the background. Enjoy.
Oh my gosh! You gotta be quicker than that, buddy.
Okay, so unfortunately for the spacebar, I was not able to fit it in. It needs 6 switches in order for me to be able to install it, so I decided to just keep the original. It still looks good. I'm demonstrating here how it came out. If you ask me, it looks pretty nice. So it has like a little marble look to it. Lights flashing through it, so I liked it.